F&F Homes welcomes you to this beautiful grand mansion built and interior designed in Kellyville, an architectural masterpiece that speaks luxury. This executive resort-style residence is built to the highest of standards and polished to perfection. It welcomes you with a beautifully designed facade together with ultra-high windows and multiple voids. Carefully crafted stack stone feature together with floating stairs and Italian tiled flooring, making it an absolute masterpiece. This beautiful house offers multiple lavish-sized kitchens, perfectly gelled with family and dining area, taking full advantage of the expensive pool views. Seamless transition from indoor to outdoor, together with a stunning self-maintained glowing heated pool, perfectly suited for entertainment and lavish parties. Every element reflects sheer luxury and perfection, which need to be seen to be appreciated. F&F Homes gave reality to another beautiful dream, with owners of this grand mansion shared their experience in building with F&F Homes in few but impressive words.